Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I hope you guys are doing well and I hope you enjoy this particular video. So today's video I'll be showing you how I make this hairstyle, which is called DIDI. This is called DIDI and it's one of the African hairstyle you can see anywhere if you're in Africa. So we call it DIDI here in Nigeria. I don't know what the name of the hairstyle is called in other parts of Africa. So right now, that is what we are going to be doing. We are going to be making DIDI. So right now I'm just trying to section the hair, the particular size I'm going to be making. It's like conrow, but this one is a little bit different from conrow. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. So this particular place I'm trying to section the hair, and then what I applied is edge control. I'm just applying edge control. You guys know how important edge control is. It makes the line look smooth and neat. So after sectioning the hair, I'm just going to cut it into two parts, because if you're making conrow, you just want to go ahead and do the conrow. But this particular hairstyle, after sectioning the hair you want, the size of the hair you want, you still have to cut it into two again, and then you start making the inner conrow. It's like inner conrow. So the person making the hair is going to be in front of you, not like the regular conrow, which the person is going to stay at your back. So that's how we're going to make the hair. As you can see, we've started. So this is how it's going to be until we finish making the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. last one I'm doing. So like I said before, after sectioning the hair, the particular size you want to do, what you need to do is to divide it into two. That's you're making a straight line from the middle part of the sectioned hair. So you just want to start making the inner conrow, which is called DIDI here. So as you can see, the person making the hair is in front, not at the back like the regular conrow. So because this is the inner conrow, we are going to start from the back. So the person is going to be from the back, and then you're making the hair inside. You're not bringing it out. You're putting the hair inside. So I'm trying to make it slow here so you can see what I'm doing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed. Drop a comment at the comment section. Let me know what you call this in your own state. Share the video to your loved ones. I hope I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.